Is the NAS 100 finally ready to hit 27,000, or are we due for a massive correction? Let's break down the institutional price action on the 1-hour chart to see exactly where the big money is moving right now. Looking at the market structure, the NAS 100 is currently in a powerful bullish trend, characterized by consistent higher highs and higher lows. We have seen multiple break of structure or BOS levels, which confirms that institutional buyers are firmly in control of this momentum. However, looking at the current price of 26,584, we are clearly trading in a premium zone. This means the market is overextended, and a short-term pullback is highly likely before we see the next major leg up. There are a few critical levels you need to mark on your charts. The immediate resistance is sitting between 26,400 and 26,500. This is where we see short-term exhaustion and liquidity resting just above the peaks. If we look for support, our first immediate demand zone is at 26,000 to 26,100. Below that, we have a mid-level demand at 25,700, and the major institutional base sits between 24,700 and 24,900. In our primary bullish scenario, as long as the price holds above the 26,000 support, the trend remains healthy. A clean breakout above the current highs will open the doors for our primary targets at 26,600, 26,900, and eventually the major psychological level of 27,200. However, if we see a strong break below 26,000, expect a deeper correction. This isn't a reversal, but a necessary dip to grab liquidity. The most probable move is a dip buy expansion play. Institutions often pull prices back into demand zones to trap early sellers and fill large buy orders. My pro insight is to wait for a retest of the 26,100 zone for a high probability entry. Please watch the full video. Follow for more. The next analysis is coming very soon.